In this video, I will explain Educational Codeforces Round 161, rated for Division 2, first three solutions. I have submitted this during my contest. So I will explain my solution. So now we will go to first question. So in first question, as in question, we need to check, we need to make AB will be equal to T. As you, if you are go through the, if you have already gone through the question, then you will get to know that you need to make one T, template T, which will be, any of this condition will be matched with that A and B, but not with C. Okay, so we need to make such a template. Okay, but in this question we need to check whether such template exists or not. So at the end we need to return only yes or no, not that template. Okay, so it's 800 rating question and it's constructive, but it took me a lot of time. See, this question took me around 45 minutes because of one single error which I missed. I will explain my solution. This is my accepted one solution. So now we need to, this is the input, string size ABC, no. So first condition, if any character of in A and B if equal, then we can place that character in template as usual small. But at the end, if the condition is like that character should not be equal to C. If anywhere in the string this condition will accept, the template will be exist. Okay, again see, if like there is one condition that if in template A is there, and in your string if A is there, then the condition will not follow. So what we will check, if A and B is not equal, then we will check whether that the C character will not equals to A and BI. If this condition will also exist, then we can place the character which will be in capital letter equals to C character. In this condition, the second condition will be second condition will not fulfill and the answer will be true. We don't require this thing because it will be getting included in this one part. Okay, so but earlier, due to I missed this one part, my 4 attempts were wrong. So if you submit, the answer will be if result will be true, the answer is yes, otherwise the answer will be no. So now we will go to the second question, forming triangles. So in this, there is one little bit twist in this question. Like as usual, if there will be 1, 2, 3 in this G generated, means you know that the answer should be that summation of two sides will be equal to not equal to, it should be the greater than the third side, longest side. Okay, but this question is not like that. This is a 2 to power 2. Okay, so in this what we need to do, we need to check, we need to go through for only equal numbers. Okay, see, like 2 to power something, like 2 to power 3 equals to 8, 2 to power 3 equals to 8. Okay, 8 plus less 16. So the number which will be equal will be the greater than equal to is 4. Okay, so it's around 1200 rating question. Because of first question, it took me, this question is, see now what I will calculate, the how many numbers are equal to each other. Okay, now see, first condition is like how many formations are in between them. It's like there will be like equal triangle, like equilateral triangle, right? So we will check from that combinations how many equilateral triangles can be formed. Okay, this one is added, you can see the combination formula, you can this one. Now what we will do, we will check, we will take two sides of this one. Suppose we have taken 3. So we will check for how many numbers are smaller than 3. If you take 4, then if you add anything like 2 raised to 3 equals 2 raised to 3, it will be equals to 8 plus 8. Okay, it will be 8 plus 8 equals to 16. The next number will be 16. It will not exist. Like the number will be the triangle will be not degenerated triangle. So what we will do, we will take two numbers from this one, and one number, how many numbers product will be the smaller than this one. Okay, so we will add as usual. We go next. We will add the smaller numbers inside the count. and we will multiply the product, means like total number of combinations of 2 possible multiply by smaller numbers. So answer will be, we will add those sum and we will get the answer. So this is about second question. Now we will go to the third question. It's a 300 rating question. So it was attempted in, it was right in first attempt, but I was not able to solve 4 questions. So in this, it's like a query question in which we have given that we can go like this way. We can go like 0, then 8, 12, 15. If you go to read, if the smallest distance between 8 to 0, means like for any condition, 8 will be the, from first city to second city, go from first city to second city, the distance will be 1. Okay, now we will check from 8 what will the distance. So I will explain through code only, because if you go through the code, it's actually query question. So you need to store something which will be calculate the answer in order of 1 time. Okay, in query questions, or order of log n time. Okay, so now in this, what we will do, so we input, so we will define prefix, means like how much coins we need to pay to move from first city to next cities, like first city to second city, second city to third city, third to fourth. But in this prefix, what we are storing, how much coins we required pay to travel from one city to rest of cities. Okay, now in this one, what I am doing, if the cost of the traveling to the next city is smaller than traveling to the less distance, you can call it distance to the last city, then the how much coins we require to pay, 1 plus 1, means like up to coming to this I plus 1 to go to the next city. If this will be not taken, then whatever cost up to this city plus the difference between the next city and right city. Similar thing for the suffix in which what we are thinking, we are going from last city to the first city, how much cost it will take. So we will checking the difference between the next city and the last city, similar. So now we are in this one, what we are checking, the x is smaller than y or y is smaller than x. So we are taking account according to the, and the answer will get accepted. So that's all. If you like video, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any doubt, you can comment down below. And if you want to solve any question, you can share the name or link in the comments. Thank you.